It isn't visible without the aid of a high-powered microscope, but on the tip of a pencil lies an extraordinary 2D crystal the size of a single atom. Graphene. This micro-thin material is not only 100 times stronger than steel, it's also one of the most effective electricity and heat conductors on the planet.
GMG's battery, developed by University of Queensland, allows us to use our graphene, only adding aluminium to make a pure next-generation battery.
So at the moment we've targeted certain applications where we know we can provide immediate solutions to people to help them save energy. There's so many industries that could benefit from the proprietaries of graphene and how it can be applied.
For more, visit graphenemg.com.